time to go to your new parent, Snow Pet. Take care. Okay guys, it's another awesome day. So, today meron kaming imimit na daughter ng aming friend. Kasi, for rehoming ang aming puppy. So, siya yung magiging bagong, imimit namin yung magiging bagong fur parent ng aming pup. Saan ba si Snow Pet?
Here.
Snow Pet. Show up. Show up, Snow Pet.
The point is like a snow.
Yung dog namin, si Evie, 7 ang anak niya, so 7. Kaya talagang we look for yung kilala namin na magiging responsible pet owners. So kaya ito today, we're going to meet yung kanya magiging fur parent. Tahimik si Snow Pet ah. Are you feeling sad? Magiging Marikina girl si aming Snow Pet. Ayan o, hihingay na siya o. Hingay ha. Malaki na rin yung pinagbago kasi ng culture sa Philippines in terms of pet ownership eh. So, mga tao ngayon, marami na talaga mga responsible pet owners. Dati, nag-aalaga tayo ng aso para may magbabantay sa bahay. Eh ngayon, baliktad, hindi na tayo makaalis ng bahay dahil wala magbabantay sa aso. So, yun. Ayan, so 2 down. Ilan na lang? 5 to go for rehoming. So, mukhang happy naman si Snow Pet.